America. Chevy. New fuel pump. My face. Old fuel pump. There's your little floaty for your fuel tank. Tells you how much fuel you have. Out with the old, in with the new. So this little clip, you've got to remove that. So you pop it down with a flathead screwdriver, and then you can depress that black button and pop the whole thing out. You're never going to get these out if you don't have an AC or AC/fuel line removal kit. You're going to need the 3/8 and 1/2 inch, or you could just buy, you know, the variety pack. But yeah, so you're going to take that tool and you're going to take this part of it and slide it in there, and that is the only way to get these out. This little guy right here is just a cap for a sensor. You just pinch those and push it down and it pops right out. But it is a pressure vessel, so you want to make sure that you put that back on. Don't use the caps that come with the new kit. It'll come with pretty secure rubber caps on it. That's not going to withstand the fuel pressure. 26,000 PSI, so it's got a little pressure. Hey, this is your best friend for taking the bed off. It's 4 bolts. You've got 1, 2 in the rear, 1, 2 in the front. So you've got 4 on both sides, total of 8. I started PB blasting mine 3 days before I did this, and each bolt was still a full body workout. Like, no shit. So, you know, tools and their uses. I could have taken an impact wrench to it, but it's just easier to get at it with an extension. You definitely need an extension. Make sure you got all the tools before you go to work on this, because, hey! Oh, jeez. Got dogs on the move. Let's see what they're getting into. But, anyways, guys, I'm still troubleshooting this issue. Just recap. Here's where I started. And I'm just replacing everything until I find the problem. So let's see if that fuel pump works. Question, if any of you guys know, where is the lifter pump? Okay, apparently there's a lifter pump. I bought one. I also bought this retaining ring. This is the retaining ring. You basically just beat it out with a flathead. I bought a new one, but that's not it. I'm getting ready to take it back because I didn't need it. That frame and that's surprisingly good condition. I wasn't expecting it to be. All right, I hope this works. $431 on parts. Woo! Love it when a plan comes together. I'm gonna give a shout out to my editor. Thank you for helping me lift my bed. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of mandrolics and minor amount of blood loss. Guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe. Love you, mean it. Stay salty. Uh-oh, check engine light. That's just because I have a cold air intake.